Welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain the experiment what is called a magnetic field. So the name of the experiment is magnetic field. So here we are going to determine the magnetic field along the axis of the circular coil carrying current. The equipment is as shown in this picture. So this is the schematic view of the equipment, and this is a digital gauge meter. So it will measure the intensity of the magnetic field, and this is a power supply. So power supply is connected to this circular coil. So this is a copper coil, and when we pass current through a copper coil, it will produce a magnetic field. So we have to calculate the strength of the magnetic field at the center. So this is a search coil. As we move search coil towards left or right, the strength of the magnetic field varies. So it is observed that at the center of circular coil, the magnetic field is maximum. As we move away from the center, the magnetic field strength decreases. So that will be shown here. Now I will switch on the equipment. First you look at how we switch on. So now the power supply is under on condition, and this is a gauge meter which is showing readings. So now we are keeping search coil at the center, that is 0. So for that the value of magnetic field or magnetic flux is around 83.8, 84.1. So it is varying in that range. So as per the data, it is observed to be 84. So I will record the readings here for 0. So just I will write the reading as for 0, 84.1. So that is what the strength of magnetic field at 0. And when we move search coil towards the left side, that is in steps of 2 centimeters. So first I will move by 2 centimeter here towards left side. So for that it is observed to be 81.8. So that's what the reading. So now the reading is observed to be decreasing, 81.8. That is for 2. So that is for 2. This is for 0. And keep on repeating the experiment by moving search coil towards left side in steps of 2 centimeter. And in each case we have to record the magnetic field strength by making use of gauge meter. So now I will set it for 4. So 4 centimeter towards left side. So for that the reading is observed to be 74.6. So the reading for 4 is 74.6. Okay. So like this we have to increase the distance of search coil from center in steps of 2 centimeter. Now I will show you the readings what is at 20 centimeter from center O. So now the search coil is at a distance 20 centimeter from the center. So for that the reading is observed to be 16.4. So that's what showing here. So the reading entered for 20th is 16.4. So the remaining readings were all already entered. So I have conducted the reading, that is experiment starting from 0. It is 84.1 and then 81.8 for 2 centimeter. So like that if we move search coil in steps of 2 centimeter, the readings are all going to come as shown in this tabular column. For 20th, that is for 20 centimeter from the center O, that is observed to be 16.4. So this is what the values that we are going to record towards the left side from the center O. Now I am going to explain how to record the readings towards right side of the center. Now the search coil is towards right hand side, that is at a distance 2 centimeters from center O. For that the reading is observed to be 81.2. 81.2. Okay, so I am going to write reading as 81.2. So that is towards right side, that is around distance 2 centimeter. So similarly I will set for 4 centimeter. So moving towards right side. Okay. So for 4 centimeter the reading is observed to be 75.0. 75.0. Just I will record 75.0. So like this we have to record reading in steps of 2 centimeter till we reach 20 centimeter. So I am going to give you the set of readings. Now I will give you the reading for 20 centimeter and then I will give you the readings of remaining distances. So I will set the search coil for 20 centimeter now towards the right side of the coil. Just move, and for 20 centimeter I set what is the value. So it is showing how much reducing now, 16.6. okay, 16.5. so it is observed to be 16.5. that's what the reading. So in this way, so at the center the strength of the magnetic field is maximum. As we move away from the center, the strength of the magnetic field keep on decreases as shown in the tabular column. Now I am going to plot a graph of strength of the magnetic field versus distance. Okay. Now I completed the experiment for all the distances starting from 0 to 20. The readings were all shown in the tabular column. Now, as according to the data obtained, we can able to plot the graph by taking strength of the magnetic field along y-axis and distance of the search coil along x-axis. Now we can able to plot the graph. So the graph will be plotted like this. The magnetic field is taken along y-axis and the distance of search coil from the center of coil is taken along x-axis. So 0 is marked here. So distance of the search coil towards the right side, that is 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 up to 20. Similarly towards left side, -4, -8, -12, -16 and -20. Now I am going to consider reading towards the left side. So as according to the data obtained, towards left side the value of magnetic field at center, that is 0, is observed to be 84.1. so that will be recorded here. So here I am going to consider 0 and here is 80 and 84. So this is what the reading. And then now I am going to consider for distance 2 centimeter towards left side, for which it is observed to be 81.8. so this is 2 centimeter. So 81, here is 80, 81 somewhere here. And then for 4 it is 74.6, 70, and then 74.6 is somewhere here. And then for 6 it is observed to be 61.5. so here is 6, 61.5, 60, 61.5 somewhere here. And then for 8 it is observed to be 52.6, so 52.6 somewhere here. Similarly for 10 it is observed to be 44.7, 40, 44. And for 12 it is 36.7, 30, 36. And then for 16 it is observed to be 16, it is 29.4, 20, 29.4. okay. And for 20 it is observed to be 16.5, 10, 15, 16.5. okay, like this. Similarly towards the right side I will select some points. For 2 it is observed to be 81.2, 80, is here, 81.2 somewhere here. And then for 4 it is 75, 75. And then for 6 it is observed to be 62.4, 62. And for 8 it is observed to be 54.6, 54. And now I am going to give you for 10 it is 45, and for 12 it is 38 somewhere is, and for 14 it is 31, and for 16 it is 25, and last value I am going to give 620 it is around 16.5. So like this we can able to plot graph, and finally join all the points. Okay, slowly start from here. So it is observed to be getting shape of curve like this. So join all the points. So this is the way of plotting the graph. So at center it is common. The value is observed to be 84.1, that is the same. So it is observed to be same. So you can mark the center value like this. Okay. So this is what the way of plotting the graph, and this is what the result that you have to document in the experiment. So now again look at the tabular column, how the readings for all come, and this is the nature of the graph that we are going to get, and whatever we plot the graph is also similar to the nature of the graph, okay, expressed in the manual. Okay, so this is what the experiment that you have to perform in the experiment, that has to be recorded as shown in the graph. Once again look at the schematic view of the equipment. Okay, thank you. Then I will go to the next experiment. Thank you.